Welcome to Maptive. This is just going to be a quick overview on where to find everything. So you will log in and start out on your home screen, as you see here in the upper left side. Then we have the map button and the data tab. You do have to go to a map before you just click the map button. The undo button will undo anything that you have previously done, like deleting maps, deleting information, things like that. Moving over to the right side of the map, you'll see My Maps and Map Views. This is literally just a list of your maps, and this is Create a New Map. Select Management Options. This is where you can get to account settings, launch payment portal, two-factor authentication, and manage team users. You can reach us via live chat here. You can change your theme style from light to dark, or in my case, back to dark again. You'll be able to see your current license period, whatever that may be, your total number of geocodes used for the month, the total number of public map views. You'll have your maps listed down here where you can get to it just by clicking on a map. If you click the checkbox, the delete selected appears. You can migrate maps if you were on version 4 previously. It will bring those maps over to here. You can also create a new map using this button. On the left-hand side, you have account settings, where you can get to the same things that are in the select management options. You can reach help this way as well, chat live, our FAQs, and contact us, as well as log out. Going into a map, we can get to the data tab now for this map, and this will take us to that data tab where you can filter your data, you can import new data, you can export your data, add a new row, add new columns, delete selected rows if you've checked boxes. You can also categorize data, and then these three are the ones I showed you from the home screen. They do follow us around. As you see, so do these. Back to the map screen, you'll find map tools now on the frame side. So we've got map tools. You have the grouping tool, which will change the colors of the markers, filter your data, layering maps, which will layer multiple maps. Routing and directions is here, geographic boundary tool, the territory tool where you can draw your own territories, the auto territory builder, distance, radius, circles, drive time, polygon, heat map, and our drawing tool. Map settings is here as well. This is where you can change the name of your map, add notes. You've got map markers and graphics where you can change all the markers on your map, base map where you can change the base map, and you've got lots of customizations in there. Shared maps and presentational maps is where you can customize your shared maps, and then you've got other settings in here. You have your save your map view if you need to save a particular map view. Shared view, which will open up a new tab or window so you can view your map in the shared view before you share it. You can share your map from here. Split screen will bring the data up to the map screen so you can see them at the same time, and they will show you approximately where they are. To close it, just click it again. You have zoom in and zoom out on the map. You can hide your map markers simply with this switch and turn them back on just by flipping it again. On the right-hand side, you'll find the location list. This will list the locations showing on your map. The search, you'll have satellite view. This just changes your map from this view to satellite view and back again. My location will locate you on the map. Export map image will give you the ability to export a map image to save, either as a PDF or a PNG. Distance calculator will calculate the distance in straight lines for you. Location finder is our favorite search, actually. You'll be able to search any address or location and then find the 10 closest locations to that location based on your data. Lasso tool will allow you to lasso markers or an area and get various information. Add marker. This is adding a map marker to your map. And export data, which will export the data. You also have Pegman, who you can drag and drop onto the earth to see a street view. This is Google's little guide. All right, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Do not hesitate to ask. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.